we're just in my backyard at the moment. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different, and I'm going to be vlogging my whole entire day today. It's just a Sunday here, I'm not sure what the date is, but I'm just going to be vlogging my whole day. I've just woken up and I had some breakfast, just some yogurt and some fruit. Now we're going to do some fitness, and I'm not sure what we're going to do later on today, but yeah, just going to do some fitness with Alicia and John, and I hope you guys like it. I'll see you soon. Come here, Baba. Angel. Hello, gorgeous girl. So, because I'm looking so grey, basically we just finished our workout now, and we're just going to rest for a little bit, and then we'll probably head off to my auntie's and go for a swim or something like that, because it's that hot on the Sunshine Coast. So I'll see you guys in a second. Basically we just had a little rest, and now we decided that we wanted to play our foosball table. Me, John and Alicia are all going to verse, and we decided that whoever loses is going to drink a raw egg. So stay tuned for that and see who will lose, because it's not going to be me, I can tell you that much. Score update is I'm on 7 and Alicia is on 4. 3. Don't lie. Make it interesting. Don't lie. She's gonna win anyway. Don't lie. She's on 3. I'm killing the game. Ready? Ready? Oh, anyway guys, I just won the game against Alicia, so now Alicia and John are gonna verse, and we'll see who wins, and if Alicia loses then she's going to be eating a raw egg. John is getting vlogged by Alicia as he is on 2 and Alicia is on 8. So let's see who's going to win this whole thing. If Alicia loses, she eats an egg. Alicia wins. If Alicia wins, then me and John have to verse. I'm John. Oh no. Oh shit. No raw egg for me. So me and John are versing at the moment, and he is on 8 and I am on 4. I'm on 4. So what's happening is, if I lose, then me, John and Alicia are all going to drink an egg, and if I win, then John is going to drink an egg. So stay here and watch. So we all have to drink an egg. Okay guys, we all lost, and now we're all drinking raw egg. Should we say cheers? Cheers guys. Yeah. Oh, I don't like it. Ready? Oh, I just smelled. Ready, set, go. people do it. Never drink an egg. Seriously, that is the most foul thing I've ever tasted. I need to wash my mouth, excuse me. Hey guys, now I am heading to, well, me, John and Alicia are heading to, my auntie is house sitting at the moment. So we're gonna go over there and go for a swim because they live on the water. And I'll show you guys around and take you with me. So I'll see you soon. Hey guys, welcome. I'm actually on a canoe. Believe it or not, Alicia's all the way over there, and I'm with my little cousin Livia. I'm gonna hit you. But I'll talk to you guys soon. I'm just gonna finish canoeing. Bye!
Way back there is Alicia.
So I finished up at my auntie's house sitting house, and we're just gonna head home now because I tried to upload a YouTube video, but unfortunately it didn't go as planned. And what happened to it?
It's a black screen.
There's like a black screen in the middle of the video, which is probably my editing fault. So I have to go home and fix that, but I'll see what the rest of the night has in store for us. I'll see you soon. Hey guys, as you can see, I'm got a bit burnt, but right now I'm going to drive in my car because I haven't driven it before, but I wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek on what it looks like. This is my car. That's okay. So guys, I've just finished driving as you saw, and I had a quick shower because I went swimming and canoeing today. Basically what we're doing right now is going back to my auntie's where she's house sitting house so that we can all have a nice little barbecue for dinner. So I'll bring you guys along, but I can't film too much because like I said, it's someone else's house, and you know, I don't want to like violate them or anything like that. So I'll bring you along, show you what we're having to eat. So just, yeah. Aww.
Don't do that.
See you soon.
Said move over.
I did. Really sharp. Seriously, why are you so obsessed with me? Oh.
see that again.
So guys, we are pretty much gonna end the video right here. It was a bit of a short one this time, but I just wanted to give you a little quick insight of my daily life. I just want to tell you guys that for dinner and that I went back to my auntie's. For dinner I went back to my auntie's house, but I couldn't film because it's not their house. Like I told you, they're house sitting, so I can't really film the house or anything like. What?
That drink bottle that's on your bed in there, is that the wood one?
Yeah?
That's mine!
That's Mum's.
That's Dad's.
Mum's got
He
a
bought
hand
one
on it.
yesterday or today.
Oh, sorry about it.
I'm supposed to go to work tomorrow. What?
I drank out of that one. I forgot.
Yeah, so that's why I didn't film, because yeah, I'm not allowed to. It's not their house and privacy rules and things like that. But I'm just gonna maybe watch a movie, or I'm gonna make a little smoothie for myself, and I'm gonna head to bed because it's been a very long day and I have work tomorrow. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.